2025 Hyundai Venue key fob battery replacement. Turn the key fob over. There's a sliding switch right here. We're going to slide this down, hold it down, and we're going to pull on this part here. This is going to remove the door key. With the door key removed, we're going to look at this slot right here in the center, and this is our pry point to open up the remote without damaging the outside of it. Okay, so this is hidden. So you notice here that someone's already replaced this battery before. There's a little bit of damage to the remote. So get your flathead screwdriver, put it in here, and this is gonna how you're gonna pry it open. So all your little marks are down here at the bottom of the remote where no one can see it. Flip it open like this, and the battery is on the back side. So get your screwdriver. Just pop the battery right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down in the remote like this. So when you get your new one, you're going to slide it in, lock in there like that. If you need one, I'll have a link in the description box and in the comment box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery. Just get the two halves and you just snap them together. I like to start at the top and work my way down. If you have it all together, the door key will go in and lock, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, hitting the like button, and if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment box below.